We're going to show you these Duchess bone china coffee mugs, or tea mugs, you could have either from them. They're very nicely designed and very thin bone china. Let me just show you the side elevation of these. They come up almost a flared rim, but it's, I wouldn't say faceted, but almost ribbed. It's a quite unusual design from Duchess this, not seen it in any other pottery from this era. Really nicely conserved gilt around the rim. Large handle, as you can see, easily takes 2 or 3 fingers. Good size mugs. All the dimensions will be on the website, but they make a very good general tea or instant coffee mug, these. Nicely decorated on the front panel with the dual pheasants in flight and the characteristic little grey and brown foliage on the rear. But what's worth pointing out is the condition of them. Now, Duchess Pheasant was made over a long period of time. These are probably from the 70s or 80s, towards the very end of the production period for Duchess. And we've got 8 of these going on catalogue. They came as a set, all in similar condition, really nice bright glaze, very clean interiors. They have been used, but they haven't been used heavily, and as a consequence the gilt is still in really good condition on them. I don't think they've been through dishwashers or anything, so somebody previously has looked after them really well. A nice set, quite rare to find. Got lots of Duchess teaware and dinnerwares coming on catalogue, but very rarely do we actually see these mugs, which prove very popular in the market. So these are going on sale individually on the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description below, which will take you through to the website listing if Duchess Pheasant is something you'd like to collect or purchase from us. Thanks for watching.